Hi everyone, it's Amber here from the Stellar Guitarist, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. This is my dad's favorite song, so Dad, this one is for you today. Make sure your guitar is in standard tuning, and we are not going to be needing a capo for the lesson. I'm going to be showing you all the chords used in the song, strumming pattern, as well as that amazing guitar riff that we hear played throughout the song. So go grab your guitar and let's get started. So we're going to start off today's tutorial by learning that amazing intro riff. So the intro riff is a combination of picking a few notes followed by strumming a chord. And this back and forth between picking notes and then strumming a chord is how this iconic riff is going to be structured. So the first thing to take note of is that we are going to be gluing our third and fourth fingers down to the high E string and to the B string in the third fret for the entire riff. So just make sure that the third and fourth fingers are securely placed inside that third fret before starting the riff. So we're going to be starting with the very first few notes of our riff, and it's going to be a picking part. So I want you to think of a G major chord going into this riff. So we're going to be starting with our second finger in the third fret on the low E string, followed by an open A string, hammering on the first finger into the second fret. We're then going to go to an open D string, and then our first finger is going to come down into the second fret on the D string. So take some time to just practice the motion of that first beginning section of the riff. So we have 3, 0, hammer on, 0, 2. Now, once we've landed in this position, we're actually in the exact right spot to strum this E minor 7 chord. We're going to be strumming from the D string down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up. So if I put the whole thing together up to there, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Make sure that when you're strumming the E minor 7 chord, you're not including the E or the A strings. From here, we're going to be picking the D string where our first finger is already down, an open G, back to the D string, and then an open D string. 2, 0, 2, 0, and then we can form a G chord. Down, down, up, up. So let's take what we've just learned and play it through from the very beginning. And we're going to do this twice, because in the song, that section that we've just learned is actually played twice. So we're going to repeat it. Here we go, from the beginning. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Right, moving on into the next section of this riff. It's going to start out exactly the same as the first line started out. We're going to have the 3, 0, hammer on, 0, 2. We're going to strum that E minor 7, down, down, up, up. We're then going to go play that second fret on the D string, which we're really squeezing down, to an open D. That first finger can go up to the A string in the second fret, then to an open A, and then we're going to form an A7 sus4 chord. So we can just take that first and second finger, and we're going to place them on the D and the G string, and we're going to strum down, down, up, up. So from the beginning of that line, it will sound like this. The next section is going to start the same again with the 3, hammer on, open 2, E minor. And we're going to have the same thing again, 2, 0, 2, 0. And then on the A7 sus4, instead of just doing the down, down, up, up, we have another strumming pattern, which is going to be down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now it's much easier to learn the strumming pattern within the context of the riff. Otherwise, it's quite difficult to place the rhythm. So I'll play it from the start of that line. It's going to sound like this. Finally leading us to a G major chord and the strumming pattern, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, which leads us right back into repeating that entire riff from the start, and so on. Now you might notice that this might not sound exactly like the original track, and this is because I am trying to show you something that has structure, that you can follow easily, and that sounds really good. So it's really important to note that the original track is played in a much less structured way, with more improvising in the different phrases. So you will notice that no two sections sound the same, and this is mostly because David Gilmour is just going with the flow and he is interpreting the music as he is feeling it. Now, this is not to say that what we are learning today is incorrect. What I'm showing you right now is a solid foundation for the picking part. Now, once you can play it well and you feel confident, then feel free to add your own musical interpretation. So we're going to do a full playthrough of the intro in just a minute at a slow and steady pace. It's really important to mention that this intro riff is played numerous times throughout the song. We're going to hear it played twice in the intro, again in the instrumental section between verse 2 and verse 3, and once more in the outro at the very end. A 1, 2, 3. Now, if you are enjoying today's lesson, please could I ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. I put a lot of care and love into making these videos for you every single week, so your appreciation really goes a long way. Don't forget to go and visit thestellarguitarist.com, where you can download all my free guitar PDFs. You can also click the link below this video and you can go check out my guitar program, the Stellar Academy. This is my structured guitar course, which is going to take you from Guitar Zero to Guitar Hero in no time. So go click the link below this video. Right, let's get back into the lesson today. Next up, I'm going to be teaching you the chords used in the verse as well as the strumming pattern. So the chords are going to be up on the screen. It's a really simple section. The chords we're going to be needing for the verse are C major. We need a D major. Next we have A minor. And then a G major. So we're going to be holding each of these chords for 2 rounds of 4 counts. So let's practice that now with just one down strum. From the C, a 1, 2, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 to the G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 strumming pattern options that we can use in the song. I'm going to start off by showing you the easiest option first. It sounds like this. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And we're going to play that twice on each chord. So we're going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So I've got the chords up on the screen for the entire verse. So it's going to sound something like this. If we're starting on the C major, a 1, 2, 3, 4. C, repeat, you think you can D. Heaven from A minor, blue skies from G. Can you tell a green D from a cold steel C? A smile from A minor, do you think you can G? Down, 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 up. Now the second strumming pattern that you can use in the song is a little bit more complex, but it sounds a lot more like the original track. And it's going to sound like this. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up. And we're going to count that. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. So we're leaving out the 4th beat completely. So if we try that on the chord sequence from the verse, it's going to sound like this. A 1, 2, ready, and C. So you think you can down to the D. Heaven from A minor, blue skies from G. To the D, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, C. A minor, to the G. So when I play through the song, I like to use a mixture of both of those strumming patterns. So you can do what I do and mix them up, go with the flow, or you can choose one of the strumming patterns and then just stick to using that one throughout the entire song. It's really up to you and what you are comfortable and able to do. So those are all the main sections of this amazing song. So all that's left to do now is to join me for a playthrough of the entire song coming up next. Let's take it from the very beginning. A 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed jamming along with me today. If you did, don't forget to please like this video. And if you're wanting to learn more about my guitar program, the Stellar Academy, then go ahead and click the link below this video to sign up. Now, if you enjoyed today's tutorial, then I know you are going to love the lesson that is being suggested to you right now on the screen. Until next time, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.